Hello and welcome to today's daily message. Today I want to reflect on yet another presence of Christ in the celebration of the Eucharist. When I was growing up, and I suppose when some of you were growing up as well, when we attended Mass, we attended basically as spectators. We were watching the sacred liturgy, the sacred drama take place before our eyes at the altar. The Second Vatican Council changed all of that. And so we are no longer to consider ourselves to be spectators at the celebration of the Eucharist. We are active participants. We are also another one of the ways in which Christ is present in the Eucharist. This is what the Second Vatican Council document said about us. It said, He, Christ, is present when the church prays and sings. For he promised, where two or three are gathered together in my name, there am I in the midst of them. And so our presence, the way we conduct ourselves in the Eucharist, is very important. We're called upon to pay close attention to the priest and the actions that are taking place. We're called upon to pray and to sing along with the celebrant. We're called to actively listen to the Word of God, to internalize it, to make it a part of our lives. And we are to receive the body and blood of Christ with gratitude and with reverence for the great gift that of Christ within us and among us. And at the end of Mass, you'll notice that the priest or deacon always says, the Mass is ended, let us go in peace to love and to serve the Lord. What that means is not only are we not spectators at the Eucharistic celebration, we are not spectators in the world either. We are called upon to be Christ in the Eucharist, during the Eucharist. We're called upon to be Christ present in the world. Thank you once again for watching and have a great weekend.